It's so different. When we're on the beach at our beach day. Wait. Oh no, this is the middle of the ocean, guys. Not to mention we keep freezing our bodies. Let's just get out of here. Yep. You don't have to ask me twice. Let's go. Whee! Top hips! I lost the norm to a coral, guys. Just letting y'all know. No one cares. We're just trying to survive. Mm. Dude, get up. Mm. We're gonna have to go down. Hey guys, let me spawn in something. We can go down with that. Are you serious? Yeah, we can go down with this into the water. No, we're stuck! Someone help! Don't worry, guys. We'll be stuck here forever. More like this. Let's get out! Float. I just wanted a beach day. Man, stupid kids, they are not getting a beach day. Yeah. Oops, I accidentally killed y'all. Who the heck? We go in and we go out. Pump, wimp, toot, boop. We go in a beach day. This episode wasn't even about a beach, bro. Shut up. This is a beach day. More like a beach play. Anyways, like and subscribe. And don't forget to kill Black. If you dare, cause he's weak as heck. Let's go! Oh, we're gonna be dead! We're gonna kill kids! Oh! Whoa! Like and subscribe, or else. Like and sub.